Today, we're diving into a head-to-head showdown between two popular touring tires, the Continental PremiumContact 7 and the Kumho Ecsta HS52. The Continental is hailed as the top performer in the touring category, but can the Kumho challenge its reign? Let's find out in this exciting comparison. First up, let's talk about wet performance. When braking on wet surfaces, the Continental PremiumContact 7 shines, stopping from 80 to 0 km per hour in just 28.5 meters. That's a remarkable 4.3 meters shorter than the Kumho Ecsta HS52, which takes 30.8 meters. This superior braking distance is crucial for safety in rainy conditions. In terms of aquaplaning resistance, both tires perform admirably. The Continental maintains grip until 74 km per hour, just edging out the Kumho at 73.8 km per hour. Although the difference is slight, every fraction of a second can be vital in wet conditions. When it comes to wear and durability, the Kumho Ecsta HS52 takes the lead. It lasts an impressive 69,300 kilometers, which is 9,000 kilometers more than the Continental PremiumContact 7, which clocks in at 60,300 kilometers. The Kumho also has a lower abrasion rate, meaning it wears down less per kilometer driven. This makes the Kumho a more durable option, ideal for drivers looking to get the most mileage out of their tires. Now, let's switch to dry performance. The Continental PremiumContact 7 once again leads, stopping from 100 to 0 km per hour in 35.4 meters, outperforming the Kumho Ecsta HS52 by 2.7 meters, which takes 38.1 meters to come to a halt. This shows the Continental's superior grip and control on dry surfaces. Noise level is another crucial factor for a comfortable ride. The Continental PremiumContact 7 is quieter, producing just 71.3 decibels compared to the Kumho Ecsta HS52's 72.6 decibels. This slight difference may not seem much, but it contributes to a more serene driving experience. In terms of fuel consumption, both tires are evenly matched. They each consume about 5.9 liters per 100 kilometers, so you can expect similar fuel efficiency from both the Continental and the Kumho. In summary, the Continental PremiumContact 7 excels in wet and dry braking, making it the go-to for safety. Meanwhile, the Kumho Ecsta HS52 shines in longevity and durability, offering impressive mileage. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.